Okay, so here we go, and this is an overview of the SM CarPlay install. It's probably not a very good idea to look down there, it's all a bit scary at the moment, but that's actually on top of the glove box, so the whole glove box just slots back up and it's all out of the way and sort of 3 bolts and it drops back down again, so it's very easy to get to. So here we are on the stock system, just got ignition on, so I'm now going to press and hold the phone button to go over to the Android unit. Just turn the music off for the moment, and here we've got a standard iPhone up here. So all you do is plug it in, and up comes the CarPlay system. I've mounted mine here and run the cable down through this air vent, so just to keep it all nice and neat. But you can turn the phone off, it doesn't have to be on, you can have it in your carry box. I've also found out you can Bluetooth to it as well, so you don't have to have any cables if you don't want to, but it charges as well through this system, so it's wise to. So those of you who are familiar with CarPlay, I'm not especially, so you've got all the functions here. So the touchscreen, you can go into here. I must say the sound quality is excellent. The music choice maybe not so, but stop that. This phone's actually connected to the home Wi-Fi because I'm sat in the garage at the moment. So go back and apologise for the heavy cold I've got at the moment, so it doesn't help. So you got all the usual stuff, all the apps. I haven't got Waze on this system, so on this phone, because it's just an old phone. I'm just using it for demo purposes, but they're the maps. So it's a bit bright, isn't it? You can't really see, but quality is excellent. So just use it in the normal sort of way. Go to a destination. Like Cliffs of Dover, let's give that a go. There we go, let's load up the route, hit go.
Starting route to the White Cliffs of Dover.
And the great thing about this,
then turn right onto a broad road.
Great thing about this is you can actually swap between the audio sources with this button as well. So if you're watching the map and you want to listen to the radio, you press the source button and it cuts in Radio 1 off the normal Maserati unit or the CD or whatever you're playing. So you've got a quick way to go between the two if you want to as well. Why you do that I don't know, but there you go, it's an option. So going back home again, let's get out of that, and these are the apps that load into this. So you just swipe across. I've got WhatsApp on there, like I use Waze a lot, so that's what I'll be loading onto there as well. So that's that, and then obviously the reverse. So if you just put it into reverse, up comes the rear view camera. One thing I have found is the £6 eBay special reverse camera. Not very good, but it all works. I'm going to go for one where you can angle the head down, because the problem is where I've flush fitted this on the boot, it's sort of pointing at the horizon. You can adjust these lines or turn them off. You can raise and lower the elevation of them, but really the camera needs to be pointing at the ground. So I've sourced a Sony HD camera where you can actually move the head of the camera up and down to wherever you want it to. So come out of reverse, back into first, you're back to the CarPlay system. I'm sorry the screen isn't coming up for everyone, it's obviously a bit bright on here, but the quality is excellent. The touchscreen is very good. It's not as responsive as your as your iPhone or your Android phone, but it still does work very well. So you just have to give it a bit of a press, but all these overlays the same. So as you can see, there's absolutely nothing different from the central system. There's no sticking out trim or anything like that. You can't see the touchscreen overlay, and everything's totally stock. And once that bird's nest is put back up into under the dashboard, we're all good to go. I'm still playing with a few bits and settings and things, but that's essentially it, all working.